So let's continue with the ternary operator. Ternary operators. Ternary means it will have two things. One, true condition. So first there is a condition, then there is an expression, and there is an expression. This expression one will be executed only when it is true, and expression after colon will be executed only after when the situation is false. So condition, expression 1 and expression 2. So it is using two operators basically, question mark and colon, and third operator will be equal to in this. That's what it's called as ternary operator. Fine. Okay, now in this only I'll write in bracket num1 greater than num2 question mark, num1 greater than num2 question mark. Here I can write system.out.println. Here I'll take system.out.println. I'll write number 1 is greater. Fine. Colon. I'll write here number 2 is greater. So here I'll put a semicolon and I'll just write number 2 is greater. So here I'll write system.out.println, and here I'll write ternary operator. Here I am writing ternary operator. Fine. So this is a small change which I have done. Number 1 greater than number 2. System.out.println number 1 is greater, or system.out.println number 2 is greater. Fine. Now I'll switch over to the compiler and let's see the execution of it. So I'll come to the compiler part, and here I'll write again compilation first. So I'm writing compilation. What happened? Expected semicolon. Where it is expecting semicolon? Okay, I made some small mistake. I didn't close the double brackets. That's why it is asking for. I didn't close the double quotes. So I'll just completing the double quotes. And now I'll just compile. First I'll switch over to the code again. Now here I have to do some changes. So what I can do? So very simple thing what I can do is I can take one more variable here. I can write string and I'll write max, or either I can take string ch, that is my string, and here instead of this I'll just write ch equals to max, or other in other way what I can do, I can write ch equals to, and here also I'll write the same thing, that is max. Fine. And what I'll do is, now what I'll do, I'll write system.out.println. Fine. And here I'll write ch plus double quotes is greater, or other here I'll write instead of max I'll write num1, and here I'll write num2 is greater. Fine. I've done this small change. Now let's see my code is working or not. Fine. Let's see my code is working or not. So in this case number 1 is 200 and number 2 is 300. Fine. So it should give me here for just a small change. What I'll do here, I'll change the value of numbers, where I'll make number 1 and number 2. Let's say number 2 I'm making it as 400. Fine. And now what I'll do, I'll switch over to the compiler. So I've switched over to compiler, and here I'm compiling. Code is compiled perfectly, and let's see what is the output. So see here it is giving number 2 is greater. In this way, I can use ternary operator. See, in case of ternary operator code, I have written CH equal to. So one operator is equal to, second operator is question mark, and third operator is colon. That's why it is called as ternary operator.